Hello, good evening. How's everyone doing? Welcome to this special session by Super Gats from Top Rankers, wherein we'll be discussing how to go ahead with CAT 2025. Yes, you have heard it right. CAT 2025, which is going to happen the next year. Do we have to start now? Yes, right away, because it is the early bird that catches the worm. आपने सुना होगा, है ना? जो जल्दी उठते हैं वही पाते हैं, right? So we have to be aware now, right? So have you started reading anything? Have you started, something related to that? If you have not done anything, then consider this video as a guide for the beginners. And we'll be coming up with some more sessions on this topic because we want to stay connected with our student community. We want to reach out to them ताकि उनको कभी किसी परेशानी का सामना ना करना पड़े. And before we proceed, I would request you to kindly like, subscribe, and share. Share among the student community, among the CAT aspirants. Okay? So first things first. If you have any idea about this exam, आपको पता है कि इसमें there are one or two levels, है ना? So basically, today we'll be talking about the first level, that is a written exam. First, you need to clear the written exam, which will happen on the last Sunday of November 25. Okay, generally ऐसा ही होता है. Okay, like this year in 2024, we are going to have this exam on 24th November. Similarly, in the coming year, वो होगा last Sunday of November. अब आपके पास ये वीडियो आ रहा है अक्टूबर से पहले, right? So I have covered the schedule from October 24 to October 25, right? And as I already said, whenever you have any doubts, any clarity you need, please drop your comments in the comment box and we will be more than happy to answer your queries. Okay, so moving ahead, कैट एग्जाम में क्या क्या है आपके पास? सबसे पहले वी शुड नो व्हाट इज द सिलेबस. सिलेबस पता रहना चाहिए, सेक्शंस पता होने चाहिए. सो देर आर थ्री सेक्शंस. फर्स्ट इज वीएआरसी, सेकंड इज एलआरडीआई, थर्ड इज क्वांट्स. तो इसका मीनिंग क्या है? वीएआरसी मतलब वर्बल एबिलिटी एंड रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन, जिसमें सारी बातें इंग्लिश की होती हैं, राइट? सो वी हैव टू डेवलप अ वेरी कीन grip on English. Keen knowledge, I mean to say a very strong grip. With keen observation, we will be able to develop that, right? तो इसमें पूछते क्या क्या है? बेसिकली वी ए का मतलब है वर्बल एबिलिटी और आर सी का मतलब है रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन. सो रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन पैसेजेस होते हैं जिसमें your logical understanding is tested, right? Kaise? Because these passages come from various domains: history, geography, political science, arts, literature, concerns of environment, everything. You name it, and the topic under the sun, है ना? So ये सारे topics की reading करनी हमें है, right? I'll tell you how to proceed with the reading also. Okay. Now coming to VA. VA में छोटे छोटे questions आते हैं, जैसे sentence rearrangement से related questions हैं, और maybe para completion you can call it sentence replacement. Then you have summary question, short summary question, and you have para jumbles questions. And an important thing to note is you don't have to write anything. You simply have to do the ticking of the right option. MCQ type आते हैं. Of course, MCQ means multiple choice answers. Of course, in BA, you do have some TITA questions. TITA, TITA का मतलब क्या है? जिसमें आपको type in the answer करना होता है. Okay. Rest of the questions are all MCQ type. Okay. Then the next section is LRDI, मतलब logical reasoning and data interpretation. Logical reasoning, data interpretation. Third is quants. तो इसमें कवर क्या क्या होता है? बेसिकली इसमें आपके जो चीजें आपको पढ़नी है, लेट मी टेल यू कि आपने एनसीईआरटी से अगर पढ़ाई की है ना? एनसीईआरटी इज ऑफ कोर्स द सिलेबस विच इज यूनिफॉर्मली फॉलोड अक्रॉस द कंट्री. ओके, सो क्लास 6 से क्लास 10 तक का आपने जो मैथ्स पढ़ा है, राइट? आपने पढ़े होंगे प्रॉफिट चेंजेस. उसके बाद आपको पढ़ना है ग्रोथ ओवर द इयर्स, बार ग्राफ, पाई चार्ट, हिस्टोग्राफ, अरेंजमेंट, पजल्स, वेन डायग्राम, टेबल्स आपको बनाने होंगे, ठीक है? और नंबर सिस्टम. ओके, उसके बाद लोगैरिथम, मेंसुरेशन, ज्योमेट्री, प्रोबेबिलिटी, अलजेब्रा, अरिथमेटिक, बार ग्राफ्स, ये सब आपको पढ़ने हैं, है ना? मीन्स दीज आर द बेसिक टॉपिक्स विच यू कवर टिल क्लास टेंथ। सारे बेसिक टॉपिक्स का आपको नॉलेज होना चाहिए, रिवीजन करना आपको बहुत जरूरी है। ओके, उसके बाद है आपका जो मैंने आपको बता दिया एल आर डी आर एंड क्वांट्स। ओके, सो जो VARC सेक्शन है उसमें आपको कुछ स्किल्स की जरूरत पड़ सकती है ना। सो वी विल गो अहेड ऑन दिस। अच्छा, उसके बाद यू नो कि इस एग्जाम में फॉर एवरी सेक्शन यू गेट 40 मिनट्स, है ना। इट इज एन ऑनलाइन एग्जाम। 40 मिनट्स फॉर VARC, 40 मिनट्स फॉर LRDI एंड 40 मिनट्स फॉर क्वांट्स। इस तरीके से यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर योर सेल्फ। अच्छा, why it is necessary to know about all these things? क्योंकि if you do not know your combatant, how you are going to face that, है ना? There is a challenge. This is a task that you have selected for yourself and you have to ace it. That is why it is necessary that you get into the details. So सबसे पहले क्या करना चाहिए to be able to get into the details? We have certain skills to develop, right? अब skills कौन से होने चाहिए? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्किल ऑफ लैंग्वेज, जिसमें आपका आता है वोकेबलरी। बेसिकली आई वुड लाइक टू emphasize अपॉन कॉन्टेक्चुअल वोकेबलरी। क्यों जरूरी है कॉन्टेक्चुअल वोकेबलरी? आई गिव यू एन एग्जांपल। टेक फॉर एग्जांपल दिस वर्ड रोज, है ना। इफ आई से she gave me a rose, right? If I say she gave me a rose, that means it is a noun, है ना, it is a name of a flower. But if I say she rose from her chair and stood near the window, she rose from her chair and stood near the window, का मतलब है that is being used as a verb. Verb किसका V2 फॉर्म है? वो rise का, rise। जैसे हम कहते हैं ना द सन राइजेस इन द ईस्ट। सो ये कॉन्टेक्स्ट से पता चलता है व्हाट इज बीइंग टोल्ड, व्हाट इज बीइंग सेड, इजंट इट? सो इसके लिए यू हैव टू रीड, क्योंकि वर्ड्स यू डू नॉट गेट इन आइसोलेशन, है ना। वर्ड्स आपको जनरली आइसोलेशन में नहीं मिलते हैं इन योर सराउंडिंग्स। यू गेट वर्ड्स इन कॉन्टेक्स्ट, इन सेंटेंसेस, इन पैराग्राफ्स। Okay, so you have to read, and what you will be reading, that also I'll come to, right? Next is, as I told you about vocabulary, एक ये skill हो गया। Then we will be talking about the reading skill। Then vocabulary में you should also include reading में you should also include grammar, because grammar is the base of language. In its absence, the meaning gets changed, the meaning gets distorted. So you have to have a good grip on grammar, and this is also going to help you in the second step. Once you have cleared the written exam, when you will move ahead with your interviews, with your WAT writing ability test, there this will help you immensely. So you have to start preparing these now onwards. So first of all, acha, coming to the other skills, as I told, arithmetic के skills हैं, है ना, और मैथमेटिक्स के स्किल्स हैं। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू फाइंड आउट वेयर यू स्टैंड, है ना। कैसे आपको पता चलेगा? दैट आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग इन द कमिंग स्लाइड्स, सो स्टे ट्यून्ड, स्टिक ऑन टिल द एंड, राइट। तो ये सारे आपको स्किल्स डेवलप करने हैं, एंड व्हाट नीड्स टू बी डन फॉर दैट, दैट आल्सो आई विल बी टेकिंग इन डिटेल नाउ। अब इसमें जरूरी है, आई सेड दैट यू हैव टू डेवलप द रीडिंग एबिलिटी, है ना। कितने लोग हैं दोज हु डोंट टेक इंटरेस्ट इन रीडिंग? Maybe it is quite possible that nowadays we read a little less as compared to the good old days जब reading एक must होता था student के लिए, right? So reading को develop करना है ना। क्या पढ़ना चाहिए उसके लिए? हमें पढ़ने हैं articles of the newspapers, हमें पढ़ने हैं editorials of the newspapers, हमें पढ़नी है magazines. So we have to read the newspapers such as the Hindu. There are many more newspapers, the Guardian, है ना, the New York Times। फिर जैसा मैंने बताया magazines and journals, ठीक है, the Smithsonian, ये आपको पढ़ना है। For example, I am saying, right? Then you have to read Aeon essays, Aeon ideas, ठीक है, this you have to read. Now try reading the editorials. Now this may not happen initially, right? तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए? That again I'll be discussing in detail in the coming few minutes. Okay. Now इसके अलावा when you read books, there are certain very good books also which should be read by every student, right? Not only the cat aspirant. For example, आप पढ़ सकते हैं The Metamorphosis by Franz Kafka, right? Then you can read The Alchemist by Paul Coelho. ओके, ये उसके बाद आप पढ़ सकते हैं एनिमल फार्म, यू कैन रीड दिस बुक। उसके बाद यू कैन रीड द पावर ऑफ द सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, ये आप पढ़ सकते हैं। हु मूव्ड माई चीज, यू नो दीज आर सम वेल नोन बुक्स which should be read by everybody, let alone cat as parrot, because they will give you a diverse, ambit, है ना, बहुत सारे areas इन books को पढ़ने से cover होते हैं. In fact, even you can read some other fiction books also if it pleases you, because now is the time, है ना, to find out, to be understanding yourself. Okay, so हमें ये सब read करना बहुत जरूरी है. Next, I would like to talk about the schedule. This is the most important part of this video session. So please pay attention to this. And every detail will be very, very important. What I was trying to tell you, from October, December 2024, October 2, है ना? October, November, December, you have to be aware. Where do I stand? Take up this test. How is it possible? Take up a SWOT analysis. What do you mean by SWOT analysis? SWOT means, इसमें S का मतलब है आपकी strength, W का मतलब है your weakness, O means opportunity, and T lastly means threats, right? Right. You have to find out where you stand. First of all, even if you have not started the preparation, you have no idea, doesn't matter. Trust me, take up a mock test. Right? First of all, take up a mock test. You will say, ma'am, you are going the other way round. पढ़ा है नहीं और पहले टेस्ट की बात है. Yes, believe me, students. First, you take up the mock test. Why I'm repeatedly insisting? Because that will give you the idea where you actually stand. है ना? Because wherever you stand, from there you have to bring yourself up. Right? So you have to decide. This is a very important step. You have to decide. You have to actually know how much you know and how much is it that you do not know. So you have to start minimizing your strengths, and you have to I mean to say, you have to start maximizing your strengths and minimizing your weaknesses. Suppose if you feel that you come from a background, a vernacular background, in which English was not given that much of importance. So what you have to do now, you have to understand that you have to go ahead with vocabulary. You have to go ahead with reading, है ना? Because you get the awareness, you get some sort of, observatory skills to be developed. And how that is possible? When you read. So start reading and fix time for that. Maybe 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour in the evening, or in the afternoon. Now, here, if you are a professional, then your routine will have to be changed in such a way so that all these alterations, all these modifications can be squeezed in, because the goal which you have selected for yourself is a huge one, dear students. Don't undermine it, don't take it lightly. Yes, I'm not scaring you, but what I mean to say is that you should be aware. So the first important 3 months from October onwards are for becoming aware, right? Awareness. Stay tuned to the things which are happening in the environment. Just find out what is going around you. Okay. Develop an observation skill so that you know what is happening. And this awareness, I mean to talk, basically, I want to point out towards self-awareness. है ना? सेल्फ अवेयरनेस, पहले अपने आप को जानिए. Okay, this is very, very important. Find out who you are, what kind of a person you are, what interests you, है ना? And similarly, which are those gray areas which need improvement? और वो कैसे पता चलेगा? First of all, take up a mock. So you will know this is the flavor of the test. These are the type of questions which are asked. So you will have a mindset, which will help you reach that goal. You have to know that. And only by listening to what others are saying. Don't be that much of, don't give that much of importance to what others have to say, but take your own experience. Become self aware. And alongside, you start reading, as I said. Alongside, you solve Sudoku puzzles. Okay. Then I forgot to mention this beautiful book by Miss Shakuntala Devi, Puzzles to Puzzle You. Okay. Therein you will find the puzzles, and your mind will be trained to solve these puzzles. As I said, Sudoku. Every day, newspapers bring this item to you. Even there is an app related to this, so you do this. And you can also start playing chess. this also you can do so that your mind gets trained, because this is the time to train your mind. Okay, first of all, awareness, as I said, you become aware, you become conscious, you have to develop an understanding of where you are, how you are doing, and where you have to reach, and how much it will, take you. Then you can prepare your routine. The next step would be preparing a routine. So in the first few weeks, you are able to understand self-assessment is important. Self-awareness will lead to self-assessment, and that will lead you to the path. You have to define that path. Okay. So आप कहाँ खड़े हैं, that will tell you. Okay, because it is self said that forewarned is forearmed, है ना, आप पहले से ही आपको अंडरस्टैंडिंग होगी. उसके बाद ये जो नेक्स्ट वाला स्लॉट है, वे आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द इम्प्रूवमेंट. यहाँ पे यू स्टार्ट reading, not only reading these books which I suggested, but start taking up vocabulary, start taking up grammar, start taking up arithmetic, geometry, mensuration, algebra in a very serious manner, I must say, in a very serious manner. Okay? Now, the seriousness has to increase. ऐसा मत समझना this is the end of the day. ऐसा नहीं है. This has to. Because here you have to work on your skills, the skills which are needed. What are the skills? You have to develop observation, you have to develop calculation skills, you have to develop comprehension skills. ठीक है? Because this test, more than being the test of knowledge, is a test of skills, and even more than that, it is also a test of time. So you have to go on polishing your skills. And when you reach this part, when you reach April to June, are for your upgradation. Means you have to polish yourself thoroughly. You have to go for the higher order skills. Okay. Because you have to climb the ladder one after the other, starting from the level of difficulty, which was a very, elementary one. You have to, climb up. You have to be up and up every day. Every single day should see you improving, should see you should be the better version of yourself, what you were a day before. So, as I said, routine plays a very important role. So, from April and to June, you are completely ready. Ready means you are aware what are the questions, what is the syllabus, and how I'm going about that. So divide the syllabus accordingly, according to these months, because serious studies should begin from April. That doesn't mean that before that you are light or you are taking things lightly. No, you are building the foundation. So these are the foundational months. So don't undermine the importance of these foundation months also. But here will be the time where you are going for higher order skills. Means you have to develop an edge of competitiveness, because the competition is very strong. Competition is there. Okay, so you have to be a better person, a better version of yourself. And as I said, you have to be self-aware, which will be happening in the coming few weeks. Where you are, what is happening, try, preparing your mindset. Think about the colleges, think about the admission, have a mental picture in your mind. Where will you be after this exam is over? Okay, this will help you immensely. And as I said, you have to start preparing for the interviews. You have to start preparing for group discussion. You have to start preparing yourself for writing ability tests. Here, your knowledge part, your awareness part, general awareness, your GK, current affairs, and moreover, the command on the language will help you immensely. Okay, so you won't get the time after this November. The time will be too short. Okay, so your preparation for this should begin now itself. Somewhere in January, you should prepare yourself. Start talking to the people, start conversing with them, start writing anecdotes, journals, start preparing a diary. Okay, and as I said, start solving the questions. Okay, once you are done with this, then when you come to July onwards, you take sectionals. What do you mean by sectionals? means a test of not the entire paper, but a test of a particular section, 40 minutes. And then you go for the mocks. What do you mean by mocks? Means mock test, है ना? Mock test, which will help you understand the way in which the test is conducted, the kind of questions, and take it from an authentic source. Okay, and then after go for analysis. After each mock, go for analysis. What went wrong? What was the type of question you couldn't see, you couldn't understand, you couldn't even, read, or you attempted it, but it was not right. And even if it was right, what was it? What was the reasoning that made it right? Because this understanding which you get from the analysis has to be applied to the mock, and then in this way you will find yourself improving with every passing day. Okay, and here you must also take up previous year papers. Very important, very, very important. Here onwards you should start taking previous year papers. I mean to say, I call this dedication. This is a domain of complete dedication. You have to be a person who thinks cat, who eats cat, who walks cat, who sleeps cat, okay, who dreams cat. You have to be that kind of a person, particularly in this slot, because then November, as I said, will be preparation for the exam. Of course, these are all the preparatory stages only, but then this has to increase, this has to be enhanced. Okay, so start reading. And yes, as I said, reading plays an important role. So reading will be done here, it will be done here, it will be done here. I mean to say the article. Just find out, in the newspapers. First of all, if you are a beginner, what are those domains which you really like? Is it related to movies? It is related to glamour world? Is it related to sports? Then slowly and surely you start reading those also which you do not like. Yes, it is said, eat that frog. है ना? There is a book called Eat That Frog. Means do that work first, do that activity first, which you don't like. Okay, so this will give you a diversification. It will give you a diverse idea because there are so many things on your palate. Okay, so this will help you digest, assimilate, and appreciate all these different tastes and flavors. But from April onwards, I would recommend more focus on RCs. Why? Because here you find that you have an aim, right? When you read an RC, you know that there are questions and there are options to be answered. Okay. And if you go by the experience of the cat toppers, they tell you that it is not actually the RC which disturbs you. It is not even the question which disturbs you, but it is the options, which with which one has to struggle. The actual struggle is with the options. Options come from the questions, and questions come from the RCs. So this dedicated approach you have to start from April. And as I said, once you are prepared, when you know that you are thorough, you start taking up all these tests. And how many, that we will come to in a separate video after this. So stay tuned and remember that this is a marathon. है ना? And how a marathon is run, you know that. Okay. So in the last lap, you have to be highly energetic. So you have to maintain that pace. Most importantly, you have to maintain the pace. If you have decided for yourself, then you have to do that. And we are there with you. We are there for your help, for your support, for your guidance. So in case you face any concerns, do let us know. As I said, it is our humble duty to help, to guide the student community. Anything which bothers you, please inform. Okay. And one more thing I would like to add here. I had spoken about Aeon essays in the beginning. You can start with Aeon ideas in the beginning. I mean, from here, you can start with Aeon ideas. Then slowly you upgrade and then you come to Aeon essays here because they are of a higher order. So if you start reading them in the beginning, maybe you get a little, deterred. You may get intimidated. So that should not happen because you have to maintain your tempo. Okay. Once you know where you are, you'll be able to maintain your tempo and nothing should take you away from your aim and your goal. There shouldn't be any kind of distraction, especially once you reach April. Okay. So keep studying, keep learning, stay tuned for more such informative sessions, and do keep in touch wherever you feel that you need some guidance. Thank you. Happy CAT 2025 preparing. God bless.